Hadian bala sapriang ki kubor ba an pynsangeh jeng pynpoi ko umpniang petrol diesel bat LPG da kinongnya jong ki kalikut umpniang sya jylla Meghalaya. Kabelawan ra ru jeng sok lumar hapteng ki patba halor kini ko kubor kabela penlong ru ki patba banlet tap lupa ki umpniang ha ki jaka tap umpniang boper. Haka arp kendai trik unai wiang hajar arpulai ki bor ke Sorkar jylla kiliok ban penlong ya ke jingyalang hapdeng ka kenhun jong kinongnya akali ki company umpniang ha kabela rai ru bakan omdan kanu ke jengkang ban pynpoi umpniang sya jylla Meghalaya. Ya kini kejingyalang hapdeng ki bor ke Sorkar Meghalaya bagi kenhun belalam kemat dengan North East Petroleum Mazdoor Union ki bor ke IOCL ke HPCL BPCL ki trai jong ki petrol pump bagi bor peniat distrik nalor ki bor pulet la penlong ha ke circuit house sanongpo. Ha ke bako kubor ke balami dengan kejingyalang kalong bakam don kanu kejengkang ne kejeng pynsangeh kejeng pynpoi ya kumpniang. Habakran gilat patai kubor, Pravin Bakshi, Commissioner Secretary Ketenat Food, Civil Supplies but Consumer Affairs, ula pentip bagi bor ke Sorkar jylla Meghalaya tang hadian kajing mi kubor. Baka kenhun jaga Mazdoor Union kan sangek ban pynpoi ko umpniang sya jylla. Halor kajing keno basya penthut ha ke surok ba National Highway. Mentalayok bani kerencai bat bani peleu jengmut halor kejing baro balala ban cimlang ya kawai karai bakan omdan kanu kejing pynsangeh. Uli itu ru bahaka bedai pat bat kejing dawa jangka kenhun jangka Mazdoor Union. Halor ki hok badai ban yok nak benta kinongnya bagi nong buat ki kali kedum penyang badai ban yok nak Sorkar jylla ne ki company. Halor kan yeru ayok benetai sani ha kabelarai ban pensngawi kanesh ki bor bahalor jangka Sorkar Meghalaya ban simpat dikelenti ban pen urlong ya ki jingdon kam jangka ne kenhun. Ha kabedai bat kejing sio ko biang ka PF ka ESI bat kiwe-kiwe. Ha kabedai pat bat kejing sya akem jong kitu kebedan keti ha kebantu ko umpniang ha kesurok ba National Highway bahenrio. Nakaliang u Commissioner Ketenat Food Civil Supplies but Consumer Affairs ulaong ba kani kade ka kamram jong pulet ban toket bat kejing toket kelanang ya cekmat. Bat kaan kan sele kebedan kam. Shushu ula pentip ru ba ke Meghalaya kalong kabalapan krek lupa ban pendap ya kejing don kam jong ko umpniang. Bat kipat ba kim don kam ban sok lumar jengbot. Nakaliang Uramendas Secretary ka North East Petroleum Mazdoor Union uli tu baka kenhun kadap da kejing lengo halor ka kubor bala benapat ba halor kejing temu pynsangeh pynpoi umpniang sya Meghalaya. Namar kan dinga dai tang kasithi bala tho sya ka Sorkar jylla ban sengap kejing dawa jong ka union. Uli tu ru badai hadian kan kejing elang bagi bor Sorkar jylla Meghalaya rengkat bagi try company bagi try petrol pump. Balayo akarai ke basno tenat halor kejing don kam baro.
Why I have come here is because once we got the call from the government for this meeting, we came here with a concern because today it may affect diesel and petrol and kerosene. Tomorrow it may affect LPG also because these trade unions, this Mazdoor unions, are one and the same in Assam. So if it's not resolved today, there will be a great impact for us, especially now we are entering into the festive season for Christmas. So we are very happy indeed, and we fully support Kennedy and his association and the state government as well. And we are also happy with the letter that the Mazdoor Union have given before the secretary and the government, in which they have made a commitment that the culprits who are involved, the law will take its own course. And we condemn all these malpractices that have been taken place. And we support that all petrol pump dealers, along with us LPG dealers, that we have to be very vigilant in the near future to look around us, that such pilferages or adulteration should not have a space in our state.
Kena kalian ka Mazdoor Union kilo ong ba mentah ka sengihi berkhot kena poi goti kin call ka meeting ba kin call off no ya kani ka strike bahkan dum don show te kompanyang kan poi hi saki jaka jungi kumjo ro ya ka gas kena kalian jungi ka association ngi sutenat ya kani ka meeting bla penlong ngai kublai ya ka department ya ka government Meghalaya ko jelam jong u commissioner secretary yo DC nongpo SP nongpo police bat borok ki stakeholder bulan mentang sengi bahkan ni ka jingkenduk jungi kalong saiso tang ka message ka bangin ai sikipat ba kalong ngilai i ke jingken tho ke social media ke bangim sutenat tang si beton ka strike beton kini katai ya kan tho away ka bom sutana te kalong ka syukwa banong tang ka away sobha wat jingtip batikna bat sakran kalong bit bangin siya pata sa benang sa kendo klementip ya jisha nomor ka jingle ran kawan ya ki hadian bat sa ka baar ndai man kuslai than ban long penik ya kan ni ong makan don ka strike ni don komno ban take care nomor yangi ke sorkar yangi ke company ke labo yangi nomor ke petrol diesel umpniang serak kini ke ke essential commodities ke bangi haban pynpoi support ba kom pynpoi yu kha udai wata ujhur kum direktur te ke sorkar kan kala sim khia ngi sim khia ba company ke sim khia ngin pynpoi laradon kam buat ke police escort ngi ong menen ten ta kada ngapil beng ipat ba kombolong menen puterpom la jam lot ke sorok la jam lot baro e the pnyang la kombom yu su te sobha ko pat ba wat choi ka jing shisha nang ta nai long penik than nomor kani ka kalong biet teng te
स्ट्राइक हम लोग अभी तक स्टार्ट नहीं किया ये मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग हो रहा है यस बिकॉज दिस लेटर वाज सेंट टू द सप्लाई डिपार्टमेंट बट हाउ इट इज लीक्ड आई डोंट नो सो हम लोग अभी जा रहा है माइनर्स लेके हमारा हेडक्वार्टर में गुवाहाटी उधर जाके सबसे बात करके पॉजिटिव मैसेज आप लोग का पास आने वाला है हम बोल के जा रहे हैं और पैनिक करने का जरूरत नहीं आप लोग का माने माल खाली करने का अंडरग्राउंड में जगह नहीं है इतना माल हम लोग लोड करा के रखा था क्योंकि 2 दिन आगे हम चिट्ठी दिया था ऑल द डीलर्स इधर डीलर्स से हम लोग पर्सनली फोन करके बोला था आप माल डबल स्टॉक कर लीजिए इन द मीन टाइम हमारा बख्शी साहब का मैसेज हमको मिल गया तो इनका मैसेज मिलना मतलब ये लेके 4 टाइम्स मीटिंग हुआ हम लोगों का ये इशू नहीं है वेराइटीज इशू लेके और इशू सक्सेस हुआ था इसीलिए ये इशू नहीं है आज का और ये ऑटोमेटिकली चलेगा गैस भी अवेलेबल है 16 एलपीजी गैस ट्रक आर कमिंग विद इन 10 मिनट्स टू योर शिलोंग अभी सुबह रेडी करके आया हम क्योंकि यूनियन का बारे में जानता है यूनियन मीन्स यूनिटी जब ये लोग सुना हम लोग टेल चला जा रहा है स्ट्राइक में गैस वाला बैठ गया उधर ये भी हम लोग का मेंबर है तो समझा के हम लोग सब करके आया थैंक यू वेरी मच आप लोग ये मैसेज दीजिए क्योंकि हम लोग आ रहे हैं आप लोग का स्टेट में सर्विस देने के लिए हम लोग ये आशा रखेगा आप लोग से गुड बिहेवियर गुड कोऑपरेशन और हम लोग भी जितना तक सके full service देने के लिए तैयार थैंक यू वेरी मच
So the meeting was very fruitful. In the course of the meeting, many issues were raised with regards to the welfare of the Mazdoor Union and all the drivers, handymen. There were issues with regards to the IUCL, BPCL also on how they can give maybe better packages to them to support them, and from the side of the state government we anyway support that the basic minimum wages and EPF, all those rights which are statutory rights should be given to the Mazdoor Union. And in the context of what has happened, there have been allegations of pilferage and all, because of which police action has followed. So we strongly feel that there should not be any kind of irregularity, because the oil tankers have to move smoothly, and if there is any pilferage, then it is not good. And having said that, from the side of the police, they have taken action and steps have been taken. So while they're taking action also, we have gently raised with them that they should try to make sure from their side that nobody is put to any kind of inconvenience who are innocent or who may just be doing their duty. So that also they have said they will take care. We don't have anything as such to say about the police action which is going on, because it's an ongoing investigation. And since it is a crime branch case, they will try to find out what is going on. So our principal appeal to our friends from the union and also all the other stakeholders is that the strike call in itself gives a ground for people to feel insecure, and it causes a grievance. People rush. There is a lot of panic buying of POL products, huge lines in front of the petrol pump, which puts the public to inconvenience. So we only raise this issue with them, that while there are points which we will be able to solve among ourselves, let there not be any inconvenience to the public. And therefore, we have given a call to them. We have asked them that the strike call should be lifted as soon as possible. Having said that, they are saying there is no strike in the first place, because it was supposed to start from today. Today we have met in a very cooperative and a very cordial manner. We will try to work out a solution so that there is no strike, and all the points which have been raised from whosoever side will be looked into. So we are going to get the minutes of the meeting made as soon as possible, and once it is done, I am sure that there will be some kind of a press release, some kind of statement from the side of the Mazdoor Union that the strike has been called off. But broadly, all of us are of the view that having raised all our points, we don't have any real, points to carry forward, and for them also to raise a point in the form of a strike. So we are very hopeful. We are very hopeful that soon, by I think in the next few hours or by the end of the day, the strike will be called off.